Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to use the redo feature in Google Sheets. There is 3 ways you can look in column I for the written directions, and I'm also going to take you step by step through using this feature. The first way that we can get this feature is by going to the edit menu and going down to the second option where it says redo. You can see that my text has now changed from hi to hey. The second way you could do it is for window users only. I'm pretty sure that the commands on a Mac computer are different. You can simply hit Control Y on your keyboard, and that will do the same exact thing. You can see my text has changed again. And let's go over the last way. You see this menu up here that it's kind of gray. It looks a little different than the rest of them. You can see that little icon that's similar to the one over in the first option when we did the drop down menu. And you can click that button, and that is how you access the redo feature in Google Sheets. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find this to be helpful too. Thank you. Bye.